We're going to look at how to mark up a Google slide and how to answer questions, add text boxes, and all sorts of things like that. So when you're working on this presentation as a group, certain questions, for example, might ask you to select a pair of opposite sides. So there's a few things you can do. You have drawing tools up at the line button here. You can choose a curve, a scribble, a line. You can use the line tool. And if I'm selecting pairs of opposite sides, I can draw a line across this side, and I'll click the line tool again, and I can also draw a line tool across this side. To change the color of the segment you've drawn, you can click it and select it, make sure it turns blue. This pencil with the line on it will change the color, so if I want to make it red. And then this button with the different bars, that's the line weight, you can make it like a 4 or an 8 just to make it thicker so it's a little bit easier to view. So again, you click on it, make sure it's highlighted, you can change the color. And then you click on the picture with multiple lines and just make sure they're the same size. That way the coloring is all the same, things like that. So now you can mark opposite sides like this. You could also color the side using the scribble tool. So say you wanted to mark the other sets of sides in a different way. Another option would be draw a line tool, and you can just draw a line right next to it. And again, you can change the color. We'll use blue this time to show it's different. But you can make the line just like that. Say you made a good line, you want to copy it, you can click on it. You can hit Control C and then Control V, and it will paste a new slide for you of the same line. So now you can change the size of the line, put it wherever you want. So now you have these two sides marked opposite. If, for example, you're trying to mark some angles, so this slide has you marking consecutive angles, what you can do is click on Scribble, and Scribble is going to allow you to draw any shape that you want. Again, you can change the color, you can change the weight of the drawing that you made, but you can use that Scribble tool as well. All right, so that's drawing with the Scribble tool. Now say you want to make a comment on the slide. This little T with the box is a text box. So if you want a text box, you can write maybe angle E and angle O are consecutive angles in GEOM. And you can resize it, you can change the shape, but that would be how you would type on a slide. And on this slide where the rectangle is also a kite, you can just click to add text here. And then again on the first slide, your names are going to go here on these different spots.